afternoon, happy people. I hope my Vlogmas finds you today happy and healthy. You guys, it is a Vlogmas day 6. Y'all, I'm doing the intro today in my dining room slash foyer, whatever. Look, my table is clean. Remember, it was full of fall. I put it all in that plastic bin right there. Now it's clear. We have some Christmas happening over there already. Yes, 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 honey, yes, we're getting there. I am also, so you guys know where I am. There's the back of the Santa. I'm in our foyer right here. I will show it to you when all is done. Today we're finally doing this beautiful garland. It is done. I hope you guys love it as much as I do because I really like it. Let's get started. Hiya there, guys. Okay, so listen, this is what we're gonna do right now. We're gonna take everything that's on it and then we're gonna put it like that on the mantle and then we're gonna beautify it from there. So I'm gonna fast forward this so you guys can enjoy some good Christmas music.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in.
Okay guys, so I'm done with this one. It's all green now. You see, there's nothing on it. I would like to use a different garland this year. Oh, here's another piece here. I have a flocked one that's pretty. Although this one is very pretty too. It has the pine cones, but I think I'm gonna use this one outside this year. On the balcony upstairs. It's actually really pretty too. Oh, there's another one here. So let me bring you guys, I want to show you the flocked one that we're gonna use, and that one is pre-lit already too. Let me bring the other one quickly and show you the other one that I like so much. It's flocked. It's a little richer. Hold on, y'all, hold on. Okay guys, so you see this one? I have this one and it's pre-lit. Do you see how much? So we need to go ahead and you know, fluff it out and whatnot, but do you see how this one is flocked and really pretty? So we're gonna use this one to put it on that mantle. gonna use this white mesh that I have. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put white first, and on top I'm gonna add a little bit of this. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? So now I'm just gonna make these poofs here and there, poof here, and poof here, and poof here, and poof there, poof here, poof there, poof here, poof there. Okay, let's do poofs.
Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree, and I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you. Just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again, to see you again. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.